Welcome back. I hope you guys are okay. First of all, if anyone new on this channel, please press the subscribe and the like button so that you can easily get the upcoming video. I've started working on my gardening renovation project. It's long overdue for some proper care and attention. While I am not a professional gardener, I will be sharing every step of the way with you. So you guys stay connected with me till the end of the video. I've bought a lot of topsoil and will try to grow grass on top of it. There was a little rain at night so the ground looks wet, but it seems that it will not matter to us. Our work will still be done, hopefully. As you can see, there is a little bit of a weed on the surface. My effort will be to end it somehow. At the same time, I'm leveling the ground as well. To be honest with you, I had leveled this surface early, but there was a slightly difference left. I'm still trying to level it as much as possible. As you guys can see, I'm using the tool is called a half moon tool. If you have a garden, it's very handy. You should have one. My plan is to level the surface as much as possible and remove the weed completely. When it's all done, the surface would then be suitable for growing grass. Now let's see what happens. In so many years, I've come to know that this is my personal opinion. To do garden work, you should have a passion inside you. If you don't have a passion inside you, you can't make the garden the way the garden should be. It's To be honest with you, it takes a lot of hard work to keep the garden sustainable. My goal is to create a sustainable garden that promotes wellness and connect with nature. The journey will not only enhance my garden skills but also contribute positively to the ecosystem. I believe that by educating my audience about sustainable practice, we can inspire more people to connect with nature and promote wellness in their lives. I found this brick which is written on Hartley Castleford. If any of my audience know how old this brick is, let us know in the comment below. Thanks. Guys, after this video, the part 2 will also come where I will show you the end result of this project. So stay connected. This half moon tool is incredibly good for edging. It only cost me about 10 quid and it's really handy to have one. You know, you can buy from any your like a local DIY store.